The situation at the border is tense. Behind me, hundreds of Zimbabweans are making their way home from South Africa. Many say they fear possible xenophobic attacks and no longer feel safe staying across the border.
Yes, I want to go home.
Why?
Because you see, situation in South Africa is not good. Me, I have got a passport. I've got some days. Mara. As some people you see, you cry, you want passport and permit. So me, I choose, I must go. Because one, you can get in my house, this one, you want to protect my children.
And how was your stay in South Africa? Ever since you came here, what was your experience up to this day as you're going home?
You asked for my landlord.
No.
How was the treatment from everyone before this problem?
Even one.
You had a good stay?
Yes. Or that landlord, you want me. And my husband.
Oh, where's your husband?
Pallet.
Okay.
Families carrying bags, children walking alongside their parents, and workers returning with whatever belongings they could bring. For many, this journey is not by choice, it is driven by uncertainty and fear. Some of those arriving say they left before any violence reached them, hoping to avoid becoming victims if tensions escalate. Others tell stories of threats, intimidation, and a growing anxiety in communities where they once called home. As authorities monitor the situation, many people crossing the border are hoping for peace, stability, so they can one day return to rebuild their lives. For now, the priority is safety. These scenes are a reminder of the human impact that fear and uncertainty can have on ordinary families. Reporting from Zimbabwe, South African border, this is Kunashe TV.